What's up guys, I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never and welcome back to another update on Hoppy. If you enjoy this content, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm, I'd greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
Alright, now I just want to start things off by saying President Trump is to sign executive orders and speak at the White House Crypto Summit tomorrow at 3 p.m. Eastern, which at this point right now is today at 3 p.m. Eastern. So above technical analysis and anything else, pay attention to this. There could either be some very bullish news, some very bearish news. Either way, keep your eyes on this. It is probably going to have a heavy impact on the market. Do also understand this very easily could be buy the rumor, sell the news. So don't be shocked at all if we do see price action dump. If you look at Bitcoin right now, it is getting a little bit of a short squeeze, but it can't get back above the 21 day. You can see that we came up and had a textbook bearish retest, and it looks like this candle might end up retesting it again. But the White House Summit is probably going to have a major impact on Bitcoin. Now, I do also just want to point out Ethereum for those of you guys that haven't been watching my content very closely. I want to be crystal clear. I am still very bullish on Ethereum long term. One of the biggest reasons that I'm bullish is because if you look at the stochastics, we are extremely oversold again. Go through Ethereum's history and look at every single time we've had oversold stochastics. Oversold, massive breakout, strong breakout, massive breakout, strong breakout, strong breakout. A lot of these times we have had huge breakouts. And again, this is the weekly time frame, so do understand it takes a little bit to actually play out though. But nonetheless, we're extremely oversold. In addition, I posted this on my X account, but if you look at the 3-month time frame, we're retesting the 21 day. You can see that we came down and bounced off of this level perfectly. Throughout the entire history of Ethereum, we have never closed beneath this level. You can see that we retested it back here at the depths of the bear market and we still closed above it. This tells me that we are very close to bottoming for Ethereum, or we have already bottomed. And as a lot of you guys know at this point, Ethereum is the leading altcoin and it's going to have a heavy impact on the meme coin market, especially the Ethereum ecosystem, which Hoppy happens to be a part of. But if you look at Hoppy, you can see that Hoppy's back up to an $11.2 million market cap. This is actually bullish to see because Hoppy had dropped down to like 8.5 million. And if you zoom in on the chart, you can see that for the first time in quite a long time, we are starting to trade sideways. Previously, it's just been a complete downtrend. But the fact that we're starting to trade sideways means that we could be close to reaching a bottom. In addition, I like to see that when Ethereum and Bitcoin have that strong breakout, Hoppy also had a strong breakout. What you don't want to see is Ethereum breakout and Hoppy doesn't react to that at all. If that happens, then you know that Hoppy's probably not a great project, because I know that a lot of people are panicking about Hoppy. But the fact that it was showing strength with Ethereum is a very bullish sign. Obviously, you have to understand though, there's still a lot of uncertainty around Hoppy. We need to see Ethereum break out, but then we need to see Hoppy separate from the rest of the competition. When you look at Hoppy and CoinMarketCap, they still have very good volume. Now, the volume has fallen down a little bit from when it was constantly over 6 million. It's now down to 4 million, but this is still not bad at all. It's 36% of the market cap. A lot of projects that you'll look at are less than 10%. Just to show you guys what I'm talking about, if you compare it to something like Andy on ETH, which is a Boys Club character, Andy has 1.8 million in volume. That's 3.5% of the market cap. So Hoppy's volume right now is very good. In addition, they're still grinding every single day on X. You constantly are seeing new posts, which is exactly what you want to see. And the community is still very strong. For example, this post on March 6th, 60 comments. Compare this engagement to a lot of other projects out there. A lot of people ask why I'm still backing Hoppy. This is one of the biggest reasons. They have a great community. But honestly, there's not much else that I can say about Hoppy right now. The reality is that the market is going to be heavily dictated by this White House Summit. You guys need to keep your eyes on this. All of that being said though, if you guys are interested in joining a like-minded community and getting into projects super early, then I also recommend taking a look at my Discord. At the current moment, I have 3 different tiers, but we've been making huge gains this entire bull run. As a lot of you guys know, my Discord's around 1 year old and we've already called 6 different 200x projects as a community. Just to put that in perspective, a $1,000 investment into any one of these projects could have turned into over $200,000. So if this is the kind of thing that sounds interesting to you guys, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage. I'd love to see you guys in here. We're building an amazing community. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments whether or not you guys believe in Hoppy long term. If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.